I want to take a moment to acknowledge you, thank you, and to remind you of how incredible you are. You carry me through every experience for my life, through every joy, challenge, and change, even on days when I didn't fully understand you. Signal or treated your Ashley. You always been there, working tirelessly to keep me going. Are the freezer that allows me to experience the world through you. I trust you. I see beauty. I feel emotion. I touch and hear everything that make this life so rich from my strong legs that carry me through. I touch each step to the breath in my leg that fill me with energy. I realize just how much you do for me constantly, constantly without asking for anything in return. Sometimes I forget to listen to you. I push you too hard. I don't praise it, and I get frustrated when things don't work the way I expect. But today, I want to promise you that I will take better care for you. I will move in way that feel God, knowledge you with what you need, and give you the rest and recovery you deserve. I see you, I honor you, I appreciate it rich and sweet rich and visiting you. No day in the day out, wearing in earning listing, or even wrestling. I know you're doing your best. I'm learning to love every part of you. Your fairness, your strength, your scars, your